right, a great activity that you can do with your students to demonstrate inertia is the Inertia Challenge. So you're going to get this as a kit, and it's from Steve Spangler Science. And in the kit, you're going to receive 2 plastic bottles, 4 yellow rings, a bag of hex nuts, and some latex balloons, and these handy dandy little cards that actually have the definition of what inertia is on them, so that's helpful for your students. So how you set up the experiment is to take one of your yellow rings, place it on top of your bottle, and add hex nuts to the top of the ring. And what you do is you're going to demonstrate the law of inertia, that objects at rest will stay at rest, by removing the ring and watching the hex nut temporarily, if you watch very closely, stay in its spot at rest before it falls into the bottle. Now, it takes a little trial and error, so you may want to practice this a little bit before you show your students, because you don't want to get up in front of your students and demonstrate this great thing and then your hex nut not fall into your bottle. So it does take a little practice before, and what's great about it is the kids love to actually come and participate in the demonstration. If you're doing it as a demonstration or as in groups, they like to challenge each other to see how many hex nuts they can stack and how many they can get into the bottle. So it's a great little challenge if you wanted to challenge your students. So take 3 fingers, kind of put them at an arch with your middle finger on top of the other, your pointer finger and ring finger, and you're just going to very quickly remove the ring so that the hex nut falls into the bottle. And simple but very effective to demonstrate the law of inertia so that your students can better understand it. Now, also in this kit, you're going to get some balloons. Now, this demonstration I would do as a teacher demonstration. I would not give these balloons out to students, just to make it easier, and it does make a lot of noise, so it might be easier for the teacher to do it as a demonstration. So what you're going to do is blow up your balloon, place a hex nut inside of the balloon and tie the balloon off. Hold the balloon tie side up so that your palm is resting on it, and you're going to rotate your hand in a circular motion to get the hex nut in motion. It does make a noise, so I'm going to tell you what to do before I demonstrate it to show you. And then keep your hand still and watch as the hex nut eventually slows down and stops. You can use this also when teaching gravity to show how gravity affects it. But here's what happens. So how you rotate your hand, you can go faster or slower, but just watching as the hex nut continues in motion. Again, law of inertia, objects in motion will stay in motion until acted upon by an outside force. This time it's gravity. And just a great little demonstration to show your kids what happens if we rotate our hand faster, what happens if we rotate it slower, how does that affect how long it takes the hex nut to slow down and stop. All right, that is the Inertia Challenge.